I missed twice.
Wait,
Run!
I
Run!
need you to like nail it.
Bang!
Whoa! Whoa!
Damn.
Oh.
Oh, wait, why'd you...
Why am I so nonchalant? Oh my god.
Oh, no.
Wait, real, there's so much going on.
I don't like this.
Okay, ready?
Oh.
Oh my god, wait, hold on.
Wait, you're getting cooked. You don't mess it up. What?
Frig, wait, how do I not die from that? Is there a method? Or is there something you have to do? Oh?
I don't know what that did.
Oh, look, stop the nail. Look, you see on the bottom of the platform?
Oh.
Okay, hold on, wait. Let me get on it and then stop it like right here.
Ooh.
Yes! Oh no!
Oh.
W stop. Okay, now you gotta stop the other one.
Alright. Go.
Oh, I thought you were. Oh, my bad. No!
Okay.
I need you to stop it. Like,
No,
stop it. Stop it.
you don't need to stop it.
Yeah! Okay. Okay.
Let's lock in.
Wait, hold on. I got this. I got this.
Yes. Nice.
Frig, wait, hold on. This looks tough.
Ooh.
Oh my.
Oh.
I'm gonna. Okay.
Okay. Go. Nice.
Oh, wait, hold on. This is.
You got this?
Okay. Oh, wait. There's.
What?
Okay. There, it's gonna, like, get me in the. Yes. Okay. Leave him there.
Okay.
Okay, if I just time this right.
Oh.
Alright. Alright.
I was gonna replace it.
Okay.
Oh, that.
Hold on, wait. You gotta catch it by surprise. Hey, yo, what's? What I tell you?
Boom.
Whoa!
Wow.
It's good. Oh, wait, hold on. Okay.
Boom. No. Wait, where am I going? Alright. I just ran off the map.
What am I doing?
Boom. Oh. Okay. Where?
Oh, I get you another nail. Ah! Oh my god.
Oh my.
Oh.
What do you mean just died? Go.
Oh.
Oh wait, okay.
You gotta
Go.
run. I got you, go. Oh, I died.
Oh no.
No, we're chilling.
Too much nails.
Bro, you're the one that you just have to throw them.
Oh wait. No, it pulls on the last nail. Oh, I got you ready.
Okay.
So it goes like in order, you know? What?
It did not go in order.
Oh, I think it's what I'm looking at. Alright.
Alright, pull. Don't do that one. Yes. Okay. I should have jumped.
I panicked.
I'm
I
sorry.
panicked. I panicked. Alright.
Okay, we got this. Pull the last now. Okay, ready? Pull. Ah, yeah, I sold. That's on me.
Wait. Wait. Oh my god. Hold up.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Oh,
No, I wasn't ready. Oh wait.
You
No,
still got
wait.
some time. Yeah. Okay. Oh my gosh.
Let's go.
Okay, do I just like?
You know, you two have pretty good teamwork.
Shut up.
Shut. Wait, do I just like jump down there? I'm coming, Cody. Oh.
You'll be saying that later.
What?
Oh my.
Or what do you want to do?
We're going. Ooh. Yo, it takes two.
Oh. Oh, two wasn't enough. Oh, we're fighting the toolbox.
Well, how? Oh no.
Bro, so scary.
So angry.
There's somebody else. Oh, yep. Alright, so there's a boss fight.
Oh. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my gosh. I got impaled.
Oh my god, wait, I don't know what to do.
Oh. I didn't know you had to run. Go.
Oh, I made a
Run.
mistake.
No.
Don't die. Oh my god.
Go.
I fell off the map. Don't die. Alright, boom.
Yikes.
Oh my, I'm selling
Oh my.
this boss fight. You sold the first one, now I'm selling. I'm trying to get like W move.
Oh my god.
I'm selling. Wait, how'd you hit that? Oh my god, wait, hold on.
Go. Nice.
Ooh. Wait, watch out.
I'm watching out.
Okay. Boom. What am I supposed to be?
Do it again. What? I'll keep doing it.
Oh!
Go.
Ah! I can make it!
Oh no, I sold.
It's okay. I'll stay alive.
Fastest revive in history.
Bro really said born again.
Born
Alright, hit that
again.
thing. Oh!
Oh my god.
Okay. Oh my god.
Bink.
The area control is crazy. Alright.
Huh. Oh my.
God, bro's dead. I'm just gonna have to like live.
I freaking suck at this game.
Ooh,
Oh my.
oh wait.
Wait. Okay, there we go. Oh, I'm selling. I'm nowhere near you right now.
Oh my god, bro. Oh no.
I'm going.
You got this.
Boom.
Yes.
Boom.
You
Run.
gotta go.
Run.
Come on, King. You got it, King.
Dodge.
You got it, King. Come on now.
Dive and dodge.
W. Okay, now hit it.
Oh. Oh my god.
Oh my.
What do you mean hit it?
Go on top of the boxes.
Oh, okay. Wait, you're actually smart. Bang. Oh.
Okay, go.
It's the hardest boss I ever faced.
Oh my god.
Nice.
Woo! I like dodged him. Wait, hold on.
Go.
That's the thing. Oh shoot.
Oh.
Okay. Perfect.
Run.
Alright, we're defeating bro right here, right now. Run it up.
Oh, dang.
Run it
Wait.
up. Oh, wait.
Oh my.
Oh my gosh.
What is this legendary armor?
This is crazy.
What, his
guys.
arms are so long?
Wait, hit his neck.
I did. Go.
What?
Go.
Oh my god, wait, I have to do that so quick. Oh shoot. Don't die!
Who do you think I am?
Okay, hit his neck, hit his...
Bang. Bang.
Hit him, hit him, hit him. Whoa! What? Yo, what is this master level dodging? Watch out for his area control.
Oh my.
Oh.
I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready.
Watch out!
Bang. Bang. Bang.
I swear to God. Just like hit you down.
Bro, I locked onto like the wall behind him.
Alright.
Alright, I'm ready, I'm ready.
Oh, okay,
Bang.
okay.
Bang.
Boom.
Bang. What happened? What happened?
That was more impressive than actually hitting it. You like hit it side. Okay, go.
I locked it, I locked it, I locked it. Wait, how'd I die? Oh, dang, you're going crazy on it. Oh.
Don't you dare hit me.
Oh, that's nice.
Come at me, I swear.
Oh, he's locking in.
Oh,
He left the blinky. Oh my
He actually
gosh.
brought the blink.
He's actually locking him. He's King Von.
Wait, I don't know what he's doing. Oh my god, wait.
Oh
Stop
my,
it. Oh.
he just extended his
Oh.
Johnson on me. I died. Oh.
We both died. No.
Ah.
No. Dodge
Swing.
it, and then boom.
And then, check
Yeah.
this out.
And then.
Got a block on bitch. She from Kingston.
Send the CM.
With a ruler clip. Boy, don't play with me. Don't play with me. Met her at the store. You know how it goes.
Alright, here we go again, here we go. I'm
Oh,
ready.
put the blicky away.
Oh, devious fingers.
Alright, ooh. Ready.
Bang. Boom. Boom. Boom.
Hit him. Yo, no.
I wasted all my nails. I had to pull that one. No!
Oh, he's bringing out the blicky again for that one.
Drilling more holes.
Oh, shoot.
Hold on, I'm not, bad performance. Performance issue.
It's okay, it affects 1 in 10 men. Okay, blicky away.
Yep.
You gotta hit your
Yep.
shots now, kid.
Okay. Alright, kid, this is crazy. Hit your shots, kid. Oh my god! I thought I hit it.
Oh no!
Oh, I'm selling the bag. I'm
Blicky
selling.
round 3 right now.
Alright, we got this.
And no speedrunner has ever hit blicky round 3.
Alright, I'm ready now, I'm locked in,
Alright. You ready for this?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yep.
I got it.
Posing.
Dodge the arm.
Boom!
Boom.
Bang!
Alright,
Bang! Oh my. Oh, he did it.
Performance of a lifetime.
Oh, he just knocked off his
Oh,
arm.
I just took his arm. Oh, I'm about to hit him.
What?
Wait, I'm going crazy
Wait,
right now.
you're tough. What is
Oh
that?
my!
What is this Adam Warlock screen?
Wait, I'm actually tough. Oh.
Oh.
You know what to do.
Febreze.
Oh wait, get on his paddle.
You get on this paddle.
Wait, no. When you get up there, I need you to hop on his paddle.
Alright. You want me to hop on his paddle?
Oh no!
Oh, he's cheating. Oh
No!
no! Bro, he had the 360 chop on me, bro.
Okay. Thank God we don't have to restart. Alright. Look, this is how you dodge the oppa stop. I'm liking it. I'm liking it.
What is? Yo, he's aiming for you.
Yo.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my. Oh. Oh, bro.
Damn. No. Yo, he's like.
He's not getting.
Why is he slapping like that?
Real.
Bang.
Okay, get it. Get on it. Get on.
I'm
get
on
it.
Bang.
Hit it. Hit it. Hit it.
Bang. Yo, I'm kind of clean with it.
Yo, you're pretty sick.
What?
Gets
Oh.
impaled. Yo.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Wait, real.
I'm
He's
selling.
cutting off pieces.
I'm selling.
He's cutting off pieces.
I'm selling. I'm selling. I'm selling. Lock it. Lock it. Lock it.
Wait, real. Wait, real. He's going crazy right now.
Yo,
Wait,
he's
real,
not
once he
stopping.
gets- Wait, bro. He's actually. He's not happy.
Dude, do we have to do something?
Wait,
Oh,
he's
no.
hitting the 360 Appa Stopper.
The Appa Chopper.
Oh no. Oh, real. Get away.
Oh, on me. Go.
Oh,
Bang.
go.
Bang.
Hit it.
Bang.
Boom.
One more.
Why you spin around every single time? Oh. Wait, we're dying. He's cutting off more.
Nah. He ain't doing that. Oh my gosh, he's doing that. Oh my gosh. I've impaled.
Real. No. Oh my god, real.
Oh my gosh.
Real.
He just summoned down my face.
Real.
Watch out.
Real.
Oh my god.
Watch this, watch this, watch this.
Oh my gosh. No, why is it on me?
Why is bro bringing it to
Oh my gosh.
Wait, bro,
I got it. I got it. I'm coming back. I'm coming back.
Go. Come on. Get on.
Bang.
Oh my god.
Ah.
Why did you do that? Oh my.
That's what he looked like. Looks like he just creeps like that.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, wait, what?
They're just like dancing.
Yo, why was
What we
bro
got?
so like, oh. Yo. Freaky game. Yo.
Oh. Yo, he's hitting that. Man.
What?
I was part of this too. Where's my hero love? Did you see that explosion?
Anyway, we still have to get to Rose.
Oh, of course. Sebastian, can you help him out?
They have to
What?
get to the other side.
How is he walking? Oh.
Oh.
Step on board. Come on, it's safe. This doesn't feel safe. I'm not sure. Just relax. Don't worry. He's very precise. Sebastian, sling it.
Bank.
Oh.
Powerful.
We're like so tough. Oh, we're so close.
Rose. How did she not hear that?
Ain't no way, bruh.
Bro, get this book out of here.
Freaking bug. When do we kill, bro? What?
Oh.
Wait, bro, it's kind of tough.
Oh.
If you guys enjoyed, hit that like button. I don't know how to end these things off.
I would say comment, but we have like no comments.
He's got girls on calls. He tends to run away when it gets too hard. They all really want.
Bro, how many fingers do you want?
3.